Here's one to take a look at, and this one is a beauty. Nicely done street rod, 1955 Chevrolet 3100, short box step side pickup. Now, where do we start on this one? Start with the chop. 2 inches, chopped off that top, lowered it on air ride. So we got a nice stance, got a little lower roof line. What a great look. Bright red. Paint has just went through wet sand, buffed, polished. So it is got a heck of a nice reflection coming off it, luster of that paint. Let's go ahead and take a look at this front end. I want to show you the chrome grille up front here. Nice look to this truck. Obviously a little more modern headlights in it, so you can get a little brighter beam of light when you're driving down the road at night. But yeah, just take a look at that. Now there's a few little spots, I don't know, that you're going to see. One there, I think, Ken, that's being fussy. But I want to point out, you can see, gentleman that owned this prior has touched up the paint nicely, and it is a nice true red like that right there. When I get up on top of the paint, sometimes in the light, it kind of look a little bit goofy, but a pretty true red on this truck. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, I'm going to be going through a lot of things about this truck and on this truck. You can check out the still pictures. Take your time, look through them. Probably 100 pictures or so online of it. Top to bottom at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. That's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call too. Might be the easiest just to call up a sales consultant, 507-386-1726. Start with underneath the hood. 454 big block Chevy paired up with a turbo 400 automatic transmission. Power steering, power brakes, front disc, as you can see it's riding on Boyd Koenigsegg 5-spoke wheels. Power steering, power brakes, AC all underneath the hood. Nice billet pulleys underneath there also. And we're going to pop the hood, check that out. There's an Edelbrock carb, Be Cool, radiator, electric fan. We'll get into some of that in just a bit. Kind of a neutral colored interior. Does have buckets, custom console where the shifter is at, your air ride controls, Sony stereo system, vintage air controls, Dakota digital dash, power windows. Wow. We'll spend a little more time when we get around to the other side. Open up the door. As you can see, handles are shaved, antenna Frenched in. Taillights Frenched in also. Stainless wood, everything in the box. Extremely nice shape. And again, you can see that in all the still pictures. Tank relocated to the rear. There you can see where the fill was at. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation in this vehicle. May be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Now, I did mention this is on air ride. It's at all 4 corners also. This truck was locally built over several years and turned out very, very nice. Engine was built with roller components, FYI. Previous owner wanted me to pass that on. And again, still pictures, so you can see that engine bay, the underside. Check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there.
You like this video? Hit the red subscribe button down below to really help our channel out, and you'll stay up to date on all future videos.
All right, a couple things I want to show you right down here. You're going to see is battery shut off. So let's go ahead and we're going to click that on. Battery is on. We do have electric poppers on the doors. So with the remote in my hand, we're going to pop that open and show you everything works. And of course, mechanical handle on the inside for getting out. And a beige or neutral, again, leather and carpeting on the interior here. Tilt column, billet steering wheel, again, Dakota digital gauges. B&M shifter. But yes, interior finished off. Very nice and custom. All right, let's go ahead. I'm gonna fire this up for you so you can hear it run. Great sounding truck. Wow. Check out these gauges, see how everything works in here. Again, 454 big block Chev. All right, you see the fuel gauge works. It comes up to a percentage of fuel left. Volts, water temp, oil pressure. As you can see, RPMs. Nice looking dash, still that shape of a 55 dash also. All right, let's take a look down here. Vintage AC controls, AC and heat. AC does blow cold. Sony stereo system. There's your air ride for all four corners. Push your vents for the heat and AC. Power window switches. Custom center console. All right. Got big block warmed up. Does have the side dump exhaust. It sounds good on both sides, no doubt about that. Alright, let's slip around up to the front. Want to get this hood popped. Check out that engine van. Let's see how that engine looks underneath there. How nice and tidy that is. I'm guessing it's just as nice as the rest of this truck. So give me a second, let's get her opened up.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we go underneath the hood. Wow. Edelbrock carb, lots of chrome, lots of polished aluminum. Be cool aluminum radiator. Electric fan. Headers. Tubular control arms. What a setup. Wow, look at this charging point up underneath here, or a jumping point if you will, either way. And is it nice and clean and tidy? Wow. Sounds good, looks good. This thing has to be a blast to drive. Looking for one that'll turn some heads, bring you home some trophies. No doubt this one definitely will. 1955 Chevrolet 3100 pickup short box, step aside. Nice looking street rod, air ride, big block. Turbo 400 automatic transmission, AC, power steering, power brakes, all the equipment. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation of this vehicle. May be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.